Hey everyone, it's me Alex. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Bluetooth on your Samsung Smart TV. So what this feature allows you to do is play any music, audiobooks, or anything on your phone to the TV, to its TV speakers, or if you have a soundbar or receiver connected, it would play out of those speakers. So it's a Bluetooth signal, so you can do anything you usually do. Like for example, if there were Bluetooth headphones, it would play onto the TV or a receiver or soundbar. So all you need to do this is your TV and a phone, and this is going to be using an iPhone, which I'll share my screen right now so you guys can see how to do this. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So what you want to do first is turn on your TV. For example, right here, as you can see, I'm on a no signal screen, but it doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure the TV is on. And then right here, I'm going to go ahead and start a screen recording so you can see on my iPhone. So what you first want to do is you don't need to turn on anything on the TV. You want to navigate to your settings on your phone, iPhone, iPad, or what other device you're using. So I'm going to go to settings, and then you want to navigate to Bluetooth settings. You're going to click on Bluetooth. So as you can see, it shows up right here. It has in the brackets TV, Samsung AU8050 TV. So this is the TV I'm using. It's a Samsung AU8000, and this is a 50-inch. So that's how you see 50 on the end of AU8000 TV. So if you have a monitor, like those smart monitors, as you can see, I'm already paired to one on the top. It's a Samsung M7 that also has Bluetooth. Or if you have a Freestyle, that also allows you. So you want to look in the brackets and see if it's a TV, monitor, or Freestyle. But of course, if it shows up like Samsung, you know it's your TV. So what you want to do to pair, you want to click on your iPhone on the TV. So as you can see, TV, Samsung AU8050 TV. So I'm going to click on that. As you can see, it's asking for a pairing request. So you can see 884115, and as you can see on the TV, it's allowing, you want to give access, yes or no. So if this is your phone, you want to click on allow. So I'm going to go ahead and push on allow, and on my phone, I'm going to press on pair. As you can see, connecting to Alex's iPhone XS Max, and as you can see on my iPhone, it says connected. On your my TV now, it says play music on your mobile device. So now you can go ahead and play any music that you have from your iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to this YouTube Music right here. And then I want to, for example, play this song. So what's something to note, though, is that the volume on your iPhone also controls the volume on your TV. So if you have the volume on your iPhone at 100%, it's going to be your TV volume at 100%. So you want to be careful to not blow up your TV speakers if you're using them. Or if you have a soundbar or receiver connected, you can control the volume from the TV as well, or ARC, or on the receiver by itself, or soundbar. So I'm going to play this song. So I'm going to press on the song. And as you can see, there it is right there. And then to control the volume, you could also use your Samsung Smart TV remote. So I'm going to go ahead and push on volume up, TV speaker. And as you can see on the volume, it's on the iPhone, it's also controlling the volume. So I push this at 0. As you can see, it's all the way down and I'm not pushing anything. I'll put it right here so you guys see. As you can see, I'm turning up the volume. It's also increasing it on the iPhone. So you can see you can play your music, or for example, if you want to play audiobooks or anything, you can do that because it's just a Bluetooth signal. So you can hear it all on here. You also have some functions on the TV itself. You can pause, previous, next, or this is a cool feature, picture off. For example, if you're playing music at night or something like that, and you don't want to have this on because you can see it's just like music or it's moving the dots, but there's like nothing on here. So you can push picture off. As you can see, the picture on the TV turns off, but if I turn up the volume, it's also increasing the volume on the TV speakers. But this is good too because if there's like nothing important on the TV, it also helps preserve and make sure the TV screen lasts longer as well because there's no picture on, but you can still hear it on the TV. So as you can see, you can hear it on the TV. And to turn on the picture, if you use this, is just to push any button. So I'm going to push the middle one. The picture comes back on. So I'd say, okay, perfect. I'm done using this. The number one thing you can do is just turn off your TV. Once you turn it off, on my iPhone, as you can see, it's going to stop playing automatically. As you can see, it paused it, and it's going to go back to the iPhone speakers. And then once you turn your TV back on, let's just say you don't want to use it, you turn it back on, it's not going to pair automatically. So as you can see, it just says check device power. It's not even on Bluetooth anymore. If you want to use Bluetooth again, you have to navigate to your settings and press on TV. Oops, that's the wrong one. I didn't mean to do that, sorry. You push on the correct device. So as you can see, you're going to push on your device, and then you just push on play again, and then your music will play back on your TV. So as you can see, once you push it again, it says connected. As you can see, it says connecting. Again, you can play your music. I'll put this from the beginning again and press play. And there you go. Now you can hear it again back on the TV. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use Bluetooth on your Samsung Smart TV to play music or any other audio stuff on your TV. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!